Hello friends, it's me Naveen Raj and you are watching Technical Raj. So today, firstly, happy Eid to all nearest and dearest subscribers. So today is very interesting topic और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ये दुनिया कैसे बनी, दुनिया की सबसे छोटी चीज़ क्या है, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या है। तो आज हम ये स्टडी करेंगे और दुनिया में जो सबसे छोटी चीज़ है वो एक एटम है। उसके बाद मॉलिक्यूल आता है, उसके बाद ऑर्गेनेल्स आता है, उसके बाद सेल आता है, फिर टिश्यू, फिर ऑर्गन्स, फिर ऑर्गन सिस्टम आता है, फिर ऑर्गेनिज्म आता है, फिर पॉपुलेशन आता है, फिर कम्युनिटी आता है, फिर इकोसिस्टम आता है, फिर बायोस्फीयर आता है। बायोस्फीयर इज द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। So firstly, let us try the definition. The definition is living things consist of several levels of structural organization that are associated with one another in various ways. Now, firstly, we will start from the atoms, and atoms come in the chemical level. There are different levels, and these atoms, molecules, just like these things, come in the chemical level. Firstly, what is chemical level? It is a branch. It is a lowest level of organization. It includes atoms and molecules that are essential in maintaining life. Okay, now what is an atom? A unit of matter that comprises a chemical element. Another definition is it is the smallest particle of an element. What is an animal? Elements that are essential for maintaining life are carbon and hydrogen. इधर जो हमें ये बात बताई गई है वो ये है कि एलिमेंट कौन कौन से हमारे दो हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो हैं कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन। टोटली हमारे पास 7 हैं, पीछे 2 थे, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन, कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कैल्शियम, पोटाशियम एंड सोडियम। ये हैं 7 essential elements for maintaining our life. Now we came to the molecule. What is a molecule? The chemical combination of two or more atoms. When two or more atoms combine together, they form a molecule. So मैं अलग से ये जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ये डिस्क्राइब किया है डीपली, इसके लिए एक अलग से वीडियो पेश किया है कि हम ऊपर ऊपर से जाएंगे आज, फिर इंशाल्लाह आपको दूसरी वीडियो प्रोवाइड की जाएगी जिसमें आपको डीपली सब कुछ बताया जाएगा। इसमें भी देखें जैसे ऊपर फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन है, इसकी एक मैं अलग वीडियो दूंगा। आज हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ लेवल चैप्टर टॉपिक है तो ज़्यादा इस पर ही फोकस करते हैं। तो अब आता है सेल। पहले देखें एलिमेंट बनता है, उसके बाद सेल बनता है। सेल, लेकिन सेल से पहले ऑर्गेनेल्स बनते हैं, वो भी इसके अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे। So let's start the cell. It is the basic structural and fundamental unit of an organism. There are several kinds of cell in our body and each has a different structures and each performs a different function. Each cell contains specialized structures called organelles that perform specific functions. Organelles, just like what are cells made of? The cells are made of organelles. We can say that all the chemical reaction that are happening in the cell is because of the organelles. So organelles also playing a important role in the organization level of organism. Okay, remember that our cell is even made of an atom. This is a fact, good fact, that only 70% people know that our cell is also made of an atom. So here I have shown in the picture human cell seen through microscope. This is a human cell which is seen through a microscope. Then now we come to the tissue level. It is firstly we will cover the first one level, and now just like we will study the levels. Different levels are there. Now it is the tissue level. First is the chemical level. Now let's what we will describe the tissue level. What is the tissue level? It is the level in which different cell are joined together. The different cell types are joined together to form a structure called tissue. When different cells combine together, they form a tissue. What are tissue? Tissue are group of similar cells and the substances surrounding them that usually arise from common ancestor cells and work together to perform a particular function. The four basic types of tissue in body are epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Now we come to the organ level. Firstly we've done chemical, now tissue, and now it is here the organ level. So its definition is that it is where different kind of tissue are joined to form substance structure of a body called organ. What is organ? Organ are structures that are composed of two or more different tissues that have specific functions and usually have recognized shapes. Some examples common of some examples of the organs are the heart, liver, stomach, brain, and etc. Now it is here the system level. So what is the system level? The level where different organs are joined together to form body system. It consists of several related organs that have a common function. Now we'll study what are the 11 functions of the body. So first is the it is difficult to pronounce, but don't make it difficult. It is if we study it, learn it, so it is really uh, easy to learn. So let us pronunciate it. Integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, endocrine system, circulatory system, lymphatic or immune system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system. Now in this page I have seen especially uh, make this for you, so please firstly I want to say that please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue without wasting time, क्योंकि अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो ही लाइक कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. So I have seen a different systems of the body. Different system of the body are shown here, just like the upper integumentary and these types of all urinary system are given here. You may see here it is given like this, and this is also given. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also make comment. Now it's the organismic level, the highest level of organizational structure where all parts of the body are functioning with one another to comprise the total organism, one living individual. In this page I have also shown you an animal cell, how an animal cell is made, how it is what things it consists. So you may see in this diagram. Now it's the turn of the population level. A population is a group of freely interacting and breeding individuals of the same species. For example, all the bullfrogs typically populations are subdivision into smaller groups, a pack of lions, etc. Population is a group of organisms, just like human beings are shown here in the picture are the population. Community level, a community is all the populations of different species living and interacting together in a distinct area. Just for example, like we can say the where different populations live is known as a community level. Now it's the turn of the ecosystem level. Ecosystem are distinguishable groups of species and the abiotic non-living components of the environment with which the living creature interact. For example of ecosystem are forests, prairies, and deserts. Now it's the final highest level of organism, that is the biosphere. Biosphere is a region on below and above the earth's surface when life exists. Living things can form well into the atmosphere, the deepest part of the ocean, and at least in the same areas microbes lives in racks several kilometers below the surface of the earth. The biosphere is a capsule encircling the earth's surface where all the living things exist. The position extends from the 1000 meter below sea level to 6000 meter above the sea level. So please like and subscribe to my channel. It's new channel, so please support. Thanks, and ready for the next video, and happy Eid to all friends. Thanks.